me. Is Rakshita there in this meeting? Is Rakshita there in this meeting and Rohan? Okay, and Rohan? Has Rohan joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Anybody else who was facing, like, are you all in this meeting? Okay, so I would like to know from you all how many of you are on their laptops. Can you please raise your hand once? Okay, okay, Marin, Pranchi, Rajshri, Dr. Meda. Okay, okay. Let me present my screen. So, see, I will be changing my screen and I won't be able to see you and your chat. So anybody, please take this responsibility to unmute yourself and let me know the directions. Anyone can take this responsibility. So, is ICD 11 International Classification of Disease pages visible to all?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So, like I have given this page before. So, how many of you went home and had opened this site? Like went at home and opened the site? Okay, Merin, Dr. Rajshri, Meher. So I would like to know from like Merin what you have explored in this site.
Just gone through that site. I don't have any idea about it. Just gone through
Hmm.
that.
Okay. Others? Ria? Ria, have you like accessed it before? Okay, no issue. So today we will be learning about how to search different diseases on ICD-11 coding tool along with the post coordination on which I have given you the assignment in the group. So let's see that how to access. So I would request everyone to open this page on their laptop. And then you have to just click on the coding tools. Can I get a thumbs up? How many of you were able to follow till here? Okay, Dr. Rajoshri, Merin. Others? I said that just open your ICD-11 on your home page and then select the coding tools there. Now, I would request anyone to write any one disease in the chat box, any disease that you like. We will select any one disease from there. So write it down in the chat box, which disease you would like to search.
Hypertension.
Hypotension. Okay, fine. Let's find hypotension. So are you able to see the search result of the hypotension along with their code? Anyone can respond yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can see that there are so many types of hypotension and the code has been given to them. Like hypotension unspecified, idiopathic hypotension, orthostatic hypotension, maternal hypotension syndrome. So like this, everything has been there. So yesterday we have done the chapters and all. So from there, can you relate? Let's see the details then. What's the details of it? So over here, can you see the matching terms and all are there? And there is your post coordination. This we will not do right now. Just see how you can search the codes and different types of hypotension. Now, do you want to, now, the thing that I have made you clear that after dot, things will be specific. Maternal hypotension syndrome. So here we are moving on to the maternal side. So there is a point that will be specifying your which kind of hypotension it is. Similarly, point 21 is hypotensive peristalsis. And then let's take some more. Like intracranial hypotension, it is from intracranial. So it is point Z. So these are all the codes that will be coding for your hypotension, and like this you can select. How many of you were able to follow it?
Ma'am, please
Like,
brief it again.
yes, Dr. Anu.
Yes, please explain this again. This will come under which chapter, ma'am? The hypotension.
See over there here, hypotension is your what kind of disorder? Actually, we have not done all the chapters. That's why I'm not going for a very because there are 27 chapters left. So that's why I'm
Yeah, yeah.
not going in a specific. That's why because there will be more classification. So today just see how to operate ICD because the question was do we need to learn all the codes or not? So like this, can you? Okay, so Rakshita has given cancer. Let's take cancer now. Now let's see what words related to cancer are. So see, all the codes have been there on your screen that is related to your. So over here, yesterday we were doing neoplasm. So are you able to see the chapters from here? 2B80 and 2B all and all neoplasms that we have done yesterday. Second chapter was your, anyone can let me know what our second chapter was yesterday was on. First was infectious diseases.
Neoplasm.
Second was
Neoplasm.
Ma'am,
Neoplasm.
neoplasm.
neoplasma. Neoplasma.
Neoplasm. Very good. Now let's take the another that is Dipali has said diabetes. Okay, how what someone has texted neoplasm. Yes, let's take diabetes. Okay, are you able to see diabetes? All different types of diabetes are there. Now, if I want it be specific, and I will write mellitus, then what will happen? So then all the codes that will be there for your diabetes mellitus will be there on the screen. Like, will the diabetes is unspecified or the diabetes is due to pregnancy? So all the diabetes are there on your screen. So you were able to follow till here, diabetes. Now see, we have written only diabetes mellitus, but we have not mentioned type 1 or 2. Let's make it more specific as type 1. Let's see what will be the result then. See, all the type 1 diabetes has been there on the screen along with the codes. Yesterday, our 8th chapter was on which section, may I know?
Disease of nervous system.
Nervous system.
Okay, so let's see here. Diabetic lumbosacral plexiopathy. What do you think it is? Lumbosacral means, what does it mean with lumbosacral?
Related to
These are
spinal.
You're not audible. Can I get once more the answer?
Related to
related to
spine.
the spine system.
Related to spine,
Yes.
lumbar, and sacral region.
Yes. So, where will be when I'm saying diabetes lumbosacral, and it is in the chapter number 8. So, are you understanding how they are? The primary, effect gets the chapter number. Is it getting clear in your head? So now I would like to know the answer from you all. Do you need to learn the codes or not? Anyone?
I think we don't need to mug up the codes, but knowing which chapter they are from will make our work very streamlined and easy.
Good. That's why we are taking the chapter. As I have said yesterday also, we don't need to learn the codes, but we do need to understand the structure and the framework of the course. Yes, ma'am, to know what is for what, we need to know them. Very good. That's the main issue. So that's the two-step we have done. Step one was accessing ICD code from the WHO portal. That we have done. Step one. Second one is where to find the codes on the WHO ICD portal. So can I get a thumbs up from the people who were able to follow till here whatever we have done? Okay. Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go
Ma'am,
back to the, yeah.
like diabetes, it comes under chapter 5. So it starts with a 5 and then followed by the letter.
I'm not able to follow it. Your voice got like, was not able to follow.
Hello.
Can you once?
Audible?
Yeah,
Am I audible
yeah,
now?
Dr. Ranu.
Yeah. Like diabetes comes under chapter 5. So suppose if I've just opened the diabetes and there are lots of sub-classification are there like diabetic glomerular
Mm-hmm.
changes. So for
Mm-hmm.
that the code is MS83. But it is not, I mean, it is not preceded by the number 5. And suppose in like insulin resistance syndromes, that is followed by the like 5A44. So why this? So in some, for some the diagnosis, it is the number 5 is coming, but for some the number is not coming.
So that they have made the codes for some reason, but I need to find the reason. And one more thing that your Ranu, your words broke in the between. So exact question like bits and pieces were clear, but rest were very unclear. So can you write in the chat box once so that everything will be very clear to me?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you do? Please, thank you so much. Okay. Now let's again come to the homepage of the ICD portal as we have done till here. So now we are going to see the post coordination. So what is post coordination? So it allow combining multiple codes to provide a more detailed clinical description. As I have said that any patient will be suffering from diabetes as well as hyperlipidemia. So now you have to make one prescription or description regarding both, then how you will be doing that. So let's understand. So we will be in post coordination, we will be selecting a primary code. So this will be the main code that represent the primary condition. And then we will be adding one extension code to it. That is attach additional codes to specify details such as severity, etiology, or anatomical locations. So now may I know These features are of which application? To find etiology, to find severity, and to find the anatomical location. Anyone?
Is it pharmacopoeia?
No, no, not pharmacopoeia. Don't go there. Um, okay, the reason I will give you, like, we have done why ICD 11, why ICD 11 came to the birth after ICD 10. To find the etiology, severity, location, and various other information that was not there in ICD 10. So this post coordination will be allowing you to understand the reason behind the birth of ICD 11. Hello, ma'am. Right now, I can't attend this session with complete concentration as I am driving. Could you please upload the recording session by tonight so that I can watch it later? Okay, I will ask Shubham to do it so. Because right now it is all like I'm running the class and you're driving, so I can't like in a go. I will ask him to upload. He will upload till midnight, hopefully. Don't worry. Okay, let's again go to the coding tools once more. Let's now write here diabetes mellitus. I would request everyone to do along with me. Diabetes mellitus. So we are going to select code number 5A11, that is type 2 diabetes mellitus. So this will be our primary code. Now, have you all done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get Dipali is asking me what is difference between ICD 10 and ICD 11. May I know, Dipali, when you have joined this session? Dipali, we have already done one entire class on this. When you have joined,
Okay, ma'am.
Dipali? Yeah, when you have joined?
Day 2.
Okay, it's a day 2. That's why you're facing the issue. Actually, ICD 10 was not very detailed and it was not very granular. So, like many things like etiology, do you understand the meaning of etiology, Dipali? Dipali?
Study of
Okay, so I
no.
will let you know that ICD 10 was not having certain features like giving the etiology, severity, location of the diseases. So with the birth of ICD 11, that is the higher version of ICD 10, so it was very possible for the medical coders to go to the depth of the coding and finding the reason of a disease. Is it clear to you, Dipali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, till here everyone was able to follow. Okay, fine. Now let's move on to the next step. That is, can you see a plus mark here that is giving post coordination is available? Just click on it. So you can see the matching terms are type 2 diabetes, diabetes mellitus type 2, type 2 maturity onset. Let's see the 11, all the types of matching. So this is our extra detail, that is post coordination. So we will be adding one extra code that is also known as post coordination with let's take what we can take now. Hmm, Let's take ketosis resistant diabetes mellitus. This we will be taking. Then we will be selecting it. Till here, everyone was able to follow what is post coordination and all. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am?
till here, post coordination was okay.
Ma'am, will you repeat it again?
Okay, let's do it again. From the starting you want. I have removed all. Let's write diabetes mellitus. Oh, I've written it wrong. Just a second. Where I am going wrong. Oh, I've written wrong. Just a second. Just click on your 5, 1, this one. So if you scroll down, you can also see description of it. Inclusion, like what are included is non-insulin dependent diabetes of the young, but exclusions are these. So in this code, what other diabetes will be not included? So these are the diabetes that will be not included. So till here, are you able to follow? Can anyone can confirm? Like I don't want to rush here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone was able to follow? Okay. So let's move on to the post coordination. So we will take anyone insulin resistance. So this is your. So can you see here all the different classification is there? Post coordination. Dr. Meeda wants to ask something. Just give me 1 minute. There's one call I need to take. Just give me 1 minute. I'm coming back. Yes, sorry for the call. Yes. So over here, all the post coordinations are there. So this is insulin resistant diabetes mellitus. So this we are going to select. So like this, you can add various post coordination in it to make it more. Like you just went on for just a second coming back. Like where we have started. Can anyone can let me know? Anyone? Where we have started?
First, we typed diabetes mellitus,
With diabetes
and
mellitus. And then we
yes,
have
and
started, then what we
we
have done?
selected type 2 diabetes mellitus. 5A11 was the code, and we pressed the
Yes.
plus button, which showed us the details, inclusions, exclusions, and it also gave us a drop down box of post coordination. So, based out on
Okay.
what we wanted, even in particular, we selected that and saw the extra codes.
Hmm. Yes. So, like when we have added for the post coordination, what kind of diabetes mellitus we have finally added to the description? What kind we have added?
Insulin resistant.
Too bad.
Type 2 diabetes. First, we have ensured it is type 2 diabetes. We have selected a code for the type 2 diabetes. And then what we have added, as Anjali has given, insulin resistance. So that is called post coordination. It means that from the code, you're adding more details to it in order to make the description more descriptive. Now, are you able to follow what is post coordination, how to find the codes on the ICD-11? You don't need to learn any codes. So, will you be able to do the task I have given you in the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to do? Will you be able to like try once?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, rather than that, I will give you better. Don't do this one. Don't do this task. Wait. Do the easier one first. Then we will be moving on to the complicated task. First, where is your group? Don't do this one, post coordination one. I will give you a list of 10 diseases and you need to find on the ICD and you have to report in the Word document. This will be easy for you to do so.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Before, like post coordination, I will take once more on Monday. For like 2, 3 more examples, we will take how to make it descriptive, like a hands-on I will create. And then it will be, don't go for this, it will be tough for you. So I will give you a list of 10 diseases, unknown, totally unknown, you don't know. And I will ask you to report it from the ICD-11 portal. You have not learned, first of all, you need to know, and I will also give you diseases with specificity. So you have to find the code for the specificity also. So like this, I will give you 10 codes. Find those codes on Sunday and report it till Monday. Will it be fine? This will be helping you to be working with the ICD portal of the WHO. Then we will once more do post coordination. And there are 3, 4 more hands-on that you need to do for the ICD codes. Like there are 2, 3 more steps you need to do. Like proposal mechanism, we will do on Tuesday. And then homepage navigation we have done. And yes, there is one reference guide and all. Just a second. Let's go on this page once more. So from here, you can take the training videos also. But it will be just telling you from where to do what. Training videos and everything will be like we will do in the hands-on section. From here, you can take the reference guide and all. So first, and there are some other classifications like disability and all. So first 27 chapter we will explore and then we will explore this other classifications also. But first you start working with this coding tools of the ICD-11 coding platform of the WHO. Will you be able to do? I will give you right after the class 10 diseases with specificity. The codes you have to find on the ICD portal and report it till Monday. Come on Monday, we will do the proposal making and post coordination also. How to attach, like 2 3 case studies we will take, like diabetes, HIVs, cancers, infectious disease, along with the post coordination, and we will create one particular code for it. So till here, you like everything is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ICD, you are okay with ICD now? What is ICD and everything? Yes, Meher. Meher wants to say something. Meher, oh, it's clear. Okay, then I'm giving you in 10 minutes 10 codes for you. Code it till tomorrow. Prepare the ICD and the 9 chapters we have done. Then on Monday, we'll take the post coordination, and along with you want 2 3 more chapters or just post coordination polishing class. Just we will do the post coordination polishing class, because these things will be more polished, it will be more easier, it will be for you to code. Okay, so shall we meet on Monday? Okay, yes. Okay, then let's meet on Monday. I'm giving you the assignment right away. Take today and tomorrow's time, work on it, and it will be fun activity for you. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Let's meet
Hello,
on
ma'am.
Monday. Yes, Fazan, you
Ma'am,
have
could
you
you
like
please
went
upload
home?
the?
Yes, I will upload. Why are you so worried? You were like you were in driving with worrying head.
Yeah, ma'am. I
Don't worry,
couldn't
it
be
will be
able to
uploaded. It was
concentrate.
very easy. Okay, Fazan, you have now come back home. Are you in the home right now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Just look once, look, it's very easy. Just take 5 minutes. We will give 5 minutes to Fazan. Everyone, please support Fazan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Will you be there on this platform for 5 minutes?
Yeah, ma'am, I can.
Okay, then just you have to do is to open your Google, type ICD-11 who. You will be taken on to this portal, this
Okay.
simple homepage. Go to the coding tools. There is a search bar there. Here, just type it, any disease that you like, cancer, enter.
Yeah,
And all the
we
types
just
of
have to
cancer
put
is
down.
there, with the codes. If you want, like these word list, further, you can classify. If you want only retinal cancer, click on it. All the retinal cancer will be there. Oh no, you want the metastasis one
So we
of the
can select
retinal cancer.
accordingly.
Yes, go for more specific. So like this, you can browse and work on the codes, moving on to the closer and closer to the more specific one. Then I have said about the post coordination, that will be adding more detail to your code. That's it. That was the only class I wanted to take. Is
Okay,
it
ma'am.
fine,
It's
Faizan?
simple.
It's
Yeah,
simple.
fine. Absolutely fine.
Yes, so I will be giving you 10 codes for it. Just browse it down and report it in a Word document, and give the and submit the Word document in the group that we are in. Now,
Okay,
are
ma'am.
you okay, Faizan?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Others? Okay, then let's meet on the Monday with post coordination. How to work on post coordination. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your attention
Yeah.
and
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
coordination. Yes, thank you, everyone. Let's meet on Monday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You, ma'am.